Hey you guys, sorry it's been a while since the school crap. But I'm gonna get from here. Right now, that's how I feel, so. Yeah, I guess this is how did I love her. You always do things for her, over best. You can hear the sound of 1,000 voices calling your name. You can have the light of the world blind you, bathe you in grace. But I don't see so easily what you hold in your hands. 'Cause castles crumble, kingdoms fall and turn into sand. You can be an angel of mercy or give in to hate. You can try to fight it just like every other careless mistake. How do you justify? I'm mystified by the ways of your heart. With a million lies, the truth will rise to tear you apart. And one day I'll get me a girlfriend. But that's how I love my girlfriend. Well, was hopefully call my girlfriend. But I can find better, so still single, looking for one. So like, subscribe, rate, and please make it. Yeah. Sorry that this is a bit more like a little bit longer, but and please please, I need help and I need a girlfriend. It's just those idiots back in the day. I hated them, still do. But what the song said, always go your own way. And don't fight. I don't know what happened there. I mean, this is like kind of season, so don't fight what you did back in the day. Face the new you, and hopefully you'll get there. And hopefully you get, well, maybe a girlfriend if you're single like me, but it's just lonely here. Well, for me. Yeah. But yeah, you guys don't know how it's, well, probably most of you do, but it's just still thinking about here and there, but slowly going away. Slowly going away. Here, there gives me just to keep this. And guys, if you want to know where I got this at, is Borrowing Coats Factory, I think it was. Yeah, that's what it was. You can find these anywhere, so. Well, almost anywhere. They're hard to find, man. I've been wanting a letter jacket for like years. For my YouTube, and hopefully this helps me out. See what I did? See what I did? But, you know. And if you guys want to try and know what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to make a CD fan made cover for shinedown. And if you like it, if they call me up, be part of like backstage, I would say yes. But till then, again, this is gonna be 15 parts of my Sound of Madness being made. So that was, again, forget to pass, move on with your life, and hopefully things will get better as time progresses. And they don't know I'm walking, do they? Yeah, that's the other reason. But again, always work your way up there. And if we probably get this video made, I'm gonna give this video, if this is possible, but I don't. Maybe it is, probably it ain't. If we get this video to maybe 90,000 likes and 9,000, yeah, you get it. But if you do that, I'll do some dumpster diving. Nah, trash diving first for 90,000 now likes. Yeah, I'm kind of gonna be one of those people. Okay, so about it for this. Just a couple heads up. The songs I'm gonna do after this will be Her Name is Alice. Then actually it'd be Black Cadillac. Her Name is Alice. And Second Chance were coming up. So like, subscribe, favorite, comment, keep it figured, and also before me and my good old friend Lucas might start to get brands too. So favorites, and keep it figured, and Rufus.